In Friuli Venezia Giulia, Regional Council President Mauro Bordin closes the year highlighting increased resources and policies that strengthen communities, laying the groundwork for future growth, stability and opportunity.
I'm very happy for the work that we did in 2025 because the Regional Council approved many laws, important laws in commerce, tourism for the family, and also financial laws that made this year the year where the Regional Council used more resources for the regional community. This is the top year in this way, so it's very important for us because this means that we can give more services to the families, to the people. This was also an important year because the regional council went in the territory, and a lot of times the territory came here in the regional council. This for me is very important, and also we had the opportunity to have here in regional council many artists, many people of culture, many associations that came here and show what is Friuli Venezia Giulia to the representative of the regions. So I'm very happy for everything of this, and we can also make something better. I hope we can improve our action in the next year. And now I also want to say Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.